Hello, my friends from the Bay Area. Many people in the Bay Area are so happy that they live near the School for Self-Healing and that they can benefit from the work that we're doing. I decided that everybody should benefit from the work that I'm doing. So for that reason, we have a series of free sessions in Oakland, in the South Bay, in the North Bay, and in our school in San Francisco. I want to teach you how to work on yourself and overcome chronic problems. But I also want to teach you how to respond to modern needs, like sitting in front of a computer for so many hours, to give you some tips that if you would want to take care of yourself, you will end the day with loose neck and with good vision. I want to teach you how to bring more moist to your eyes and how to relax your neck. All that I will do in those sessions. And of course, I'm doing in my book, Awakening Your Power of Self-Healing. So I will have exposures all over the country and the world. But here in the Bay Area, I can give you a few free lectures, and I would want you all to come. Many blessings, Meir.